Gamification in Learning, Module 2. Gamification Strategies and Implementation, Part 2. This module contains 5 chapters. Key elements of gamification, where students will understand the fundamental elements of gamification, designing a gamified learning experience, where students will learn how to design a gamified learning experience, tools and platforms for gamification, where students will explore various tools and platforms available for gamification, case study, successful gamification examples, where students will analyze real-world examples of successful gamification, and summary, where students will summarize the key takeaways from the module. Designing a gamified learning experience. First, we need to understand the learners to identify the target audience and their preferences. Because the primary goal of gamification in learning context is to enhance the user engagement. We need to set clear objectives to define what do you want to achieve with gamification. Then we need to choose a game element such as a suitable points, pages, leaderboards, challenges, and etc. We also need to provide a feedback mechanism to provide real-time feedback to engage learners. The role of feedback in gamified learning experience is to guide and inform learners. Gamification is rooted in theories of motivation. So, iterative design is used to continuously refine the gamified experience based on feedback. We also need to determine the challenges and tasks which are represented by game elements such as quest. We also need to analyze the risk of overemphasis on rewards which can lead to over-reliance on extrinsic motivation. The role of extrinsic motivation in gamification is to enhance users' engagement through rewards. So the best describe the impacts of gamification on students is that it enhances and increases users' engagement and satisfaction. Tools and platforms for gamification. The following are the most common tools used in gamification. The first one is Duolingo, a free online language gamification apps and primarily used for gamified language learning. And then the Kahoot, a popular game-based learning platform. Quizlet, which transform traditional learning into an interactive game. And also we have other tools such as GameKit, Blocard, and quizzes, which are also associated with gamified learning. Netflix, however, is not used for gamification in education. Kahoot is a very popular game-based learning platform which has been used nationwide. And Quizlet is known for transforming traditional learning into an interactive game. Duolingo is the best platform which is primarily used for gamified language learning. To be continued.